Welcome back to another exciting tutorial with LeapWorks. Today we're diving into the powerful Off-Canvas widget from Premium Addons for Elementor. This widget allows you to create sleek hidden panels that slide in or appear from a corner, adding a dynamic layer to your WordPress site. With customizable transitions, animations, and styling options, you can effortlessly enhance your site's user experience and create a visually stunning impact. Let's explore how to utilize this widget and take your website to the next level. Before we begin, make sure you have Elementor and Premium Addons Pro plugins installed and activated on your WordPress website. Remember, the Pro version won't work unless the free version is installed. Additionally, make sure that the Off-Canvas widget is enabled so you can access it within the Elementor editor. Once that's set, open the editor page and search for Premium Off-Canvas. Simply drag and drop it into your desired section. Let's begin by exploring the content section. The first control is Content to Show. You can choose between a text editor or an Elementor template. If you select Text Editor, you can easily add your text content here. Plus, you have the ability to adjust the text alignment to left, center, or right, and control the vertical alignment of your content, whether that's top, middle, or bottom within the container. If you select Elementor Template, you can create a new template by clicking the Create Template button or choose an existing template from the drop-down list. You can easily edit these templates directly from the Elementor Templates section in your dashboard. Now let's build a new template together. You can create whatever you like here. For this example, I'll show you how to build a side menu. After creating your template, name it and click Publish. Make sure to save your changes. Once it's published, you'll be able to preview how it appears as a side menu. You also get the same vertical alignment controls to position the template just right. Now let's explore the Trigger section, where we control how users will open your Off-Canvas panel. You have various trigger types available: button, icon, Lottie animation, image, SVG, or CSS selector. By default, button trigger is selected. You can input the text that will appear on the button. If you want to add an icon, simply toggle the icon control on. You can choose from a variety of icons using the icon type control, which includes options like icon, image, Lottie animation, or SVG. For this example, let's select an icon from the Font Awesome library. You can animate the icon using this draw option that utilizes the SVG Draw Global feature. To learn how, watch the video tutorial linked in the description. Now choose the icon position before or after the text. Adjust the icon size and the icon spacing to get the perfect balance between the icon and the button text. You also have a button size drop-down to control the button size itself. You can choose from small, medium, large, or block. For added interactivity, you can choose a hover effect that's suitable for your design and select the direction in which it will be displayed when the user hovers over the button. If you want the button to float above other content, enable the float control. First, we need to adjust the button size to make it more flexible. Once that's done, you can adjust its horizontal position to the left or right and its vertical position to the top, middle, or bottom to place it exactly where you want. Next, let's explore the different trigger types available. To use an icon as the button's trigger, first select the icon you want to display. You can animate the icon as mentioned earlier. Check the tutorial for the SVG Global feature in the description for more details. You can also choose to use a Lottie animation as the trigger. Learn how to use the Lottie animation global feature in this widget by watching the video tutorial linked in the description. To use an image as the button's trigger, simply upload an image or select one from your library and adjust its size. This is perfect for creating designs similar to those showcased on our demo page. If you choose SVG icon, there are many sources available. To learn how to use it, simply check out the same tutorial for the SVG Global feature. The last trigger type is the CSS selector. Use this when you want to make the trigger invisible on the front end and link it with any element you choose. For example, let's link it to this heading. First, assign a class or ID to the heading. Then, in the CSS selector field, if you're using a class, write the class name with a dot. If you're using an ID, write it with a hash symbol. This way, the trigger will be linked to the specified element without being visible on the front end. Alternatively, you can use the CSS selector along with the mobile menu widget to create an off-canvas menu, similar to what we did in the mobile menu tutorial. For more details, feel free to revisit the tutorial by clicking the link in the top right corner. Let's return it to Lottie Animation Trigger to better suit the example we're building. I will also make the necessary customizations to fit our specific needs. Now let's move on to the display options. Off-Canvas Type dropdown lets you choose the type of layout for your panel. You can select either slide, where the panel slides in from the side, or corner, where the panel appears from a screen corner. Position control determines the direction from which the panel will slide in, top, right, bottom, or left. For smooth entrance animations, select the ideal transition effect. You can choose from various options to achieve the style and motion you want for your panel. Content Width Control allows you to adjust the width of your off-canvas content. You can also enable or disable the overlay option for a semi-transparent background behind the off-canvas panel. If you enable the overlay, customize its look with the overlay color option. There's even a change cursor on overlay toggle if you want to modify the cursor's appearance when hovering over the overlay. If you choose the corner type, you will find additional transition options to further customize the panel's appearance. Finally, let's explore the close icon settings. You can pick a close icon that fits your style and adjust its position to the left or right of the panel. To create a more intuitive user experience, enable the Close on Click Outside Content option. This allows users to close the off-canvas panel simply by clicking anywhere outside of it. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Publish and preview your page to see how the off-canvas panel looks and functions. To use the same template from our demo page with pre-designed layouts, simply insert it into your page using Premium Addons templates. Click the button in the editor, select the template, and customize it to fit your site. And that's it. With just a few adjustments, you can create a sleek, interactive off-canvas panel that enhances your site's user experience. Thanks for tuning in to LeapWorks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more Elementor tips and tricks. See you next time.